The Garmin Quatix 8 is not just another smartwatch. It is built for people who live for adventure on the water. Imagine wearing a device on your wrist that connects directly to your boat, streams live data, controls your autopilot, and still tracks your health and fitness like a top sports watch. This is the promise of the Quatix 8, and it's why so many people are curious about what Garmin has created. The design makes a first impression right away. It looks premium with its metal finishes and sapphire glass, but also feels rugged enough to survive saltwater, sun, and long days outdoors. You get the confidence that this is a watch built to last, not something fragile. When you hold it, you instantly see that Garmin wanted this to be a serious tool. The display is one of its highlights. It is a bright AMOLED screen that shows clear details even in direct sunlight, which matters most when you're out at sea. Whether you're checking charts, reading tide data, or looking at notifications, everything is easy to read. The always-on option means you don't waste time tapping or twisting your wrist. It also supports both buttons and touch controls, so you can use it smoothly whether your hands are wet, dry, or gloved. Where the Quatix 8 really shines is in its marine integration. This is not just a fitness watch that added a few boat features. It connects directly with Garmin chart plotters and other marine systems to give you live updates right on your wrist. You can see speed, depth, water temperature, and even wind conditions without walking back to the helm. And with autopilot control, you can adjust your boat's heading from anywhere on deck. That's not just convenient, it's powerful. It doesn't stop there. For fishing and sailing, it brings tide tables, anchor drag alerts, and advanced sailing metrics. This means you can stay safer and more prepared during every trip. Whether you are anchoring overnight or racing in open water, the Quatix 8 gives you tools that make real differences. This is what separates it from normal smartwatches. Still, it's not only about the water. Garmin has packed in the same GPS precision and mapping features that make its other high-end watches so popular. You can use topographic maps, trail routes, and even golf courses directly on the watch. It transitions easily from boat to trail to gym without losing functionality. Health and fitness tracking are just as detailed. You get all-day heart rate monitoring, advanced sleep analysis, stress levels, and body battery insights. Athletes will appreciate VO2 max, training readiness, and recovery advice. It's the kind of data that helps you not only perform better but also know when to rest. This balance between activity and recovery is something Garmin keeps improving, and the Quatix 8 benefits from that. Battery life is impressive. In smartwatch mode, it can last for weeks, which is perfect if you're away from home for long stretches. GPS and marine tracking naturally use more power, but even then the battery holds strong. With solar charging support, being out on the water actually helps you extend usage. This is another way it's tailored for people who spend their lives outdoors. Smartwatch features are also here. You get notifications, music playback, and Garmin Pay for contactless payments. Apps and custom watch faces can be added through Connect IQ. These make it feel complete as a daily wearable, not just a marine gadget. It can replace your main smartwatch while still offering far more for boating. The Garmin Quatix 8 is not cheap, but when you look at what it offers, the value is clear. For sailors, boaters, and fishing lovers, it feels like having a marine command center on your wrist. For adventure seekers, it doubles as a durable sports watch with health tracking and maps. It's a rare product that can serve two very different needs at once without compromise. Garmin has created a smartwatch that understands a lifestyle. It's not made to compete with fashion watches or basic trackers. It's made for people who want power, control, and reliability in extreme conditions. If you spend more time on the water than on land, this is the watch that can keep up with you every step of the way. So, the real question is this: how much value do you place on control, safety, and freedom when you're out at sea? Because with the Garmin Quatix 8, those things are not extras. they are built into the core of the watch. If you're new here, welcome to P Tech, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest tech that truly matters. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to stick around because we've got more reviews coming that you won't want to miss. The Garmin Quatix 8 is more than just a smartwatch. It is a partner for anyone who lives life on the water and still wants full fitness, health, and smart features on land. It's bold, powerful, and ready for anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.